Introducing the door open sensor feature in Portal. In this video we will cover 3 key topics: what door sensors are, how to wire them into the hardware, and how to set them up in the software. First, let's explore what door sensors are and how they can enhance your security system. Door sensors are devices designed to detect when a door is opened or closed. They typically consist of 2 parts, a magnet and a sensor. When the door is closed, the magnet and sensor are aligned, creating a closed circuit. When the door opens, the circuit breaks, triggering an alert. Presenting a credential to the door reader allows the system to detect various door states. It identifies door open when a valid tag is presented and requests to exit when the door is closed. Door sensors provide real-time alerts when a door is opened, allowing for quick response to potential security breaches. Often, doors stay open after a valid tag is presented, and this status is then logged in Portal. Security is enhanced by monitoring hardware and alerting security personnel when doors remain open for extended periods. Opening a door without a valid credential triggers a door forced alarm condition event, allowing for a swift response to potential intrusions. Next, we'll guide you through the process of wiring door sensors into your hardware. In this section, we will demonstrate how to connect a door sensor to a distributed controller. While door sensors can also be connected to reader modules, we'll focus on using the distributed controller for this setup. As shown in the image, each door has a dedicated door open sensor input. Door 1 is associated with the reader 1 port, and door 2 is associated with the reader 2 port. With the sensor successfully connected to the input, the access control system can now determine the door's status, whether it is open or closed. Finally, we'll show you how to set up door sensors in the software. You'll learn how to configure the settings and integrate the sensors with your system. To monitor the state of our perimeter doors, let's configure the default reader profile to apply the door open sensor input across multiple doors simultaneously. Click on the Inputs tab. Then on Add Input. Name the input, and select Type as Door Open Sensor. Typically, a door is considered open when the sensor contact is closed. However, in this setup, the door is open when the contact is open. The input number specifies which input the sensor is physically connected to, with the default being 1. Click on Save. The door timer feature regulates how long a door remains open after being unlocked. It ensures that doors are not left open for too long, enhancing security and preventing unauthorized access. A door timer is automatically assigned for each of your doors. If your reader profile consists of single reader doors, the door open sensor configuration is now complete. For doors with both entry and exit readers, you will likely wire the door open sensor to the entry, door 1, input. In this scenario, you need to link this door open sensor to both entry and exit readers in the software. Ensure that the door timers for both entry and exit are associated with the door reader where the input is connected. For this example, let's assume the door open sensor is wired to the entry, door 1, input. Please note that we are selecting the exit reader. Click on the Actions tab, and then on the Event Actions button. The configuration to follow will be for all allowed events. Search for the door timer action. When someone tags at the entry reader and the door opens, a door open timer starts counting. The same process should occur when someone badges at the exit reader. To achieve this, associate the entry reader door timer, triggered by the door open sensor input, with the exit reader. Remember to remove the door timer action for the exit reader that was automatically assigned by default. Let's look at some of the events that can be triggered by the door sensor. When a valid credential is presented and the door is opened, you get an allowed normal event and a door open normal. If the door is left open for too long, you will get a door open too long event. When the door closes, you get a door closed event. And finally, if the door is opened without first presenting a valid credential, you will get a door forced event. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about door sensing and how it can significantly enhance your operational efficiency.